India is a potential market. Brazil's Embraer will showcase its KC-390 Millennium multi-mission transport aircraft at Aero India 2025. Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer will participate in Aero India 2025 by showcasing its KC-390 Millennium multi-mission transport aircraft at the Aero India event to be held from February 10 to 14 at Yelahanka Air Force Station in Bangalore. Along with the KC-390 aircraft, Embraer will also offer visitors a range of innovations at its booth. Bosco da Costa Junior, President and CEO, Embraer Defense and Security, said that they enthusiastically welcomed Aero India 2025. In previous exhibitions, Embraer has also been present at the biennial air show. He emphasized that the KC-390 Millennium aircraft is an aircraft with various capabilities and is suitable for the Indian Air Force IAF. The aircraft expands its global operator base and reflects the industry's modern capabilities with the versatility and reliability that characterize this aircraft, he said. The KC-390 is capable of carrying more payloads than any other medium-sized military transport aircraft. The aircraft is configured with air-to-air refueling equipment, supporting a variety of critical missions including cargo and troop transport and drop, medical evacuation, search and rescue, firefighting, and humanitarian missions. The aircraft can operate on unpaved runways such as hard ground and gravel. The KC-390 can function as a tanker aircraft or as a refueling aircraft. Entered into service with the Brazilian Air Force FAB in 2019, the KC-390 was subsequently acquired by the Portuguese Air Force in 2023 and the Hungarian Air Force in 2024. The company said the aircraft has demonstrated a mission capability of 93% and a mission completion rate above 99%. The KC-390 has logged more than 16,300 flight hours, demonstrating exceptional productivity in its category. In addition to Brazil,